Hi, my name's Naseem Khan. I'm the president of Prestige MFG. We've been in business for 52 years. We specialize in product identification, CNC milling, sheet metal fabrication, and turnkey manufacturing solutions. We've been working with JumpLights since 2016. Initially, we were helping them with product identification, and over the years, as they've grown, we've helped them with prototyping ideas, all the way to mass producing these ideas for full-blown production. JumpLights is great to work with because they're a focus-driven group driven by real science behind their products. We are proud to help JumpLights keep a lot of the design and manufacturing local to our economy. They've got really ingenuitive staff who are really passionate about their work.